In this video, we will tell you 9 assets you must invest in to become rich quickly. All the millionaires and multi-billionaires have discussed these assets in all of their interviews. I have invested in all of these assets, and it has generated me a lot of profits. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss some crucial guidelines. Now let's start. Asset number 1. Certificates of deposit, CDs. A low-risk capital investment that banks provide is called a certificate of deposit, or CD. They operate in a straightforward manner. You get interest on the person in charge during the term length, which is the period of time you lend the bank money, and you also receive interest. Anywhere between 3 months to 5 years is the average term duration. You cannot take money out of your account during this period without incurring penalties. Nonetheless, the growth of your money is almost guaranteed to occur at a set pace. Your willingness to invest will determine the interest rate. Interest rates increase with the length of time you lend money to the bank. Asset number 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. In order to enable individuals to engage in real estate that generates income, the United States Congress created real estate investment trusts, or REITs, in 1960. REITs resemble real estate mutual funds. These are a group of assets managed by a business, sometimes known as a trust, that purchases and develops real estate using funds from investors. If you're interested in real estate investment but don't want to commit to buying or financing a home, they're a great option. REITs distribute dividends, much like the majority of stocks with blue chips. In addition, REITs concentrate on a wide range of national and international sectors. REITs that develop residential complexes, commercial buildings, or even medical facilities are investments that you may make. Press the red subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and secrets to get rich. Asset number 3. Dividend-yielding stocks. A few businesses distribute their quarterly profits as dividends to their shareholders. Blue-chip stocks are those that have a reputation for being dependable and resilient enough to withstand the majority of economic downturns. To guarantee that their portfolios provide profits year-round, many investors choose to include a small number of dividend-paying equities or blue-chip stocks. Additionally, although some investors like to personally choose specific stocks, you might begin by making an investment in index funds that focus on dividends with a high yield. T. Rowe Price Dividend Growth Fund, PRDGX, Vanguard Dividend Appreciation Fund, VDAIX, Vanguard High Dividend Yield Index Fund, VHDYX, and Vanguard Dividend Growth Fund, DIX, are a few funds to take into account. Asset number 4. Bonds. Bonds are similar to IOUs, much like CDs. However, you're lending money to a company or the government rather than a bank. They are also quite stable since they function similarly to CDs. When you make an investment in a bond, you will be certain of your return. Promise to reimbursement. Even the duration of the bond, 1 year, a period of 2 years, 5 years, etc., is up to you. Lower in returns, particularly when contrasted with riskier assets like equities. Bonds are an excellent investment if you're hoping to know precisely how much you're going to receive back. Asset number 5. Property rentals. Property rentals sounds like a very easy task. Purchase an apartment complex or a home. Tenants pay a little price to rent the rooms. While you enjoy pina coladas and earn passive money, the monthly rental checks arrive. While that sounds fantastic, that is also oversimplifying the situation. It's not at all relaxing to rent out a house. The reason for this is because you are in charge of every aspect of the property you rent to renters. This covers upkeep, repairs, and tenant collection if they don't pay the rent. Additionally, You will need to find a different means to pay your mortgage each month if they do not make their rent payment on time. Many people succeed in making money through property rentals. The only drawback is that doing so may have a significant detrimental impact on your money. Thanks to the growth of sites like Airbnb, you can now rent out a spare room in your home without having to worry about purchasing an additional property. Asset number 6, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending is another name for crowd lending, which enables investors to function more like a bank. Through peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club, you may make loans to people, and they will eventually repay you with interest. The borrower is spared from financial background checks and exorbitant interest rates brought on by factors such as poor credit history, unlike when applying at a bank. P2P lending is not risk-free either. To be honest, depending on a debtor with bad credit to repay a loan might be one of your riskiest financial decisions. However, if you're prepared to invest more money that you don't mind losing and dedicate more time to learning about the platform, it may be a wise investment. Asset number 7, gold. Among all these, gold is one of the greatest investments. Over the past few decades, the price of gold has steadily grown. It is among the greatest assets for hedging your money as well. Try to purchase some gold, either physical or digital, whenever you purchase equities. You will always see green in your portfolio since it has been found that gold prices rise in tandem with declining stock prices. I was never let down by my gold purchases since I always turned a profit. You must understand, nevertheless, that gold is a long-term asset. Asset number 8, creating your own product. One of my favorite methods for earning money is this one. You may also use it as an alternative to purchasing an asset. The possibilities for earning are endless because it is not only inexpensive but also readily scalable. To make your own product, you also don't need to be skilled in engineering or construction. Really, you presumably utilize goods like ebooks, online courses, podcasts, and webinars on a daily basis, things that you can really make. These information and digital format products are ideal means of generating revenue without compromising expense. However, they cost you time and energy. Along with actually creating the goods, you also need to ensure that it will be profitable. Asset number 9, mutual fund. Mutual funds are available in a variety of types and asset classes to accommodate a range of risk appetites and financial objectives. Funds that concentrate on income, growth, a particular industry, or a mix of these are available. The majority of mutual funds are simple to buy and sell every day, giving you access to your money whenever you need it, depending on the particular fund. However, mutual funds usually have fees, which reduce your profits. These charges may consist of sales loads, cost ratios, and management fees, depending on the fund. That's all for today. Now you know all the best assets that will make you rich in 2024. Press the red subscribe button to know more amazing financial tricks to earn more money. Like button also if you loved watching this video and learned something new. Almost 80% of Americans know these assets but never invest in them. You must invest in these assets, or you may miss the chance of becoming a millionaire. Share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to know how to invest in these assets. Feel free to add a comment below if you have any queries or suggestions for us. All the millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Charlie Munger, Bill Gates, and many other multimillionaires and billionaires have invested in these assets, and you must do so. They have owned these assets for a long period of time and have gained subsequent profits in the last decades. Many of my friends have become millionaires after investing in these assets. Getting rich is all about how you handle your money, and most people think that If you have low income, then you would never get rich. Sometimes the millionaires also say in their meetings that people with lower income could never get rich, but it is not actually true. I have researched a lot and found out several tricks and tips which you could follow to become rich even on a low income. You may click on the video appearing on the left side to watch it. Thank you.